Be a success in making money online by using these ideas. Would you like to make some extra money online? Perhaps you have the desire to making money online full-time. The internet is full of opportunities. However, you need to discern the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. This video will help you think through your options and make the best choice. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Put your leisure time to productive use. There are some things that you could do online that take very little focus. For example, surveys and other small tasks can be accomplished without a lot of effort. Do a few tasks while you're watching television. While the chances are that you won't become a millionaire, you will be paid to work in the comfort of your own home while getting paid for your usual downtime. There is no secret in making a lot of money online. You just have to make sure that you are getting reliable information like what you see here. Make a goal for yourself and work toward it. Do not forget what you have learned here as you start your money-making venture on the web. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.